do today is I'm going to show you how to tighten the nut on your triple tree. So you'll see that there's a spanner nut right here on your triple tree, and a lot of people, when you're trying to slow down or stop and you put on your front brakes, you'll feel a tiny clunk in the front, like a clunk, 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 clunk when you're trying to stop. All that is this spanner nut right here on your triple tree is a little bit loose. It's very easy to tighten. All you need is a screwdriver and a hammer. You don't need a special spanner tool or anything like that. It's a very easy fix. So all you do is you take your flat screwdriver, you put it in one of the tabs of this spanner nut, and you just go clockwise with it. See it's turning there? Now that this one was quite tight to begin with, but I just wanted to show you guys. But now it's even tighter than it was. You'll notice it still rolls very nice. There's a nice set of ball bearings underneath here. So there is a bearing underneath that, so you don't have to worry about over tightening or anything like that. So again, all you have to do is you put a screwdriver into the tab of the spanner nut and just tap it with the hammer. And as you do that, you'll see it tightens that nut down, okay? And that's all you have to do. And once you tighten that down, you'll find that the clunk has gone out of the front of your bike and everything is a lot nice and tight. All right, so that's our video. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you very much.